Jamaica, Caribbean, Western Hemisphere, repatriation is a must. This is Africa. Well, this is the Sizzla, man. From 4th of October 1986 was a treaty signed in constructing this dam between South African government and Lesotho government. Officially, the dam started constructed about 91 to 97. So great things are going on in Africa. We have a dam. But the water is the source of life. So black people who only for things so we do. Increase education and come build up Africa. Encourage you. Rastafari. Yes, as you can see, Lesotho Highlands Water Project, Sizzla Dam, Transfer Tunnel and Delivery Tunnel, Phase 1A was officially inaugurated on the 22nd day of January 1998 by His Majesty King Letsie III and His Excellency President Nelson Mandela as part of the binational project of the Kingdom of Lesotho and the Republic of South Africa. Well done, power of people. Sizzla Youth Foundation, Rastafari. Mama Africa, Lesotho, Sizzla Kalonji, Rastafari. Repatriation is a must. All black people start preparing themselves to be home. No war, no hate, no gun thing. Never idle and get up and do something. Get up and do something. Mama Africa, no war, no hate, no gun thing. Never idle, get up and do something. Get up and do something. The truth, the brainwash the youth, absolute to the let the pollute, know your history, know your culture, can dilute, salute, a salute, the children of the future. Mama Africa, we act like paprika, meditate, meditate Africa, hey mister, get away with your pistol, stop killing my brothers and my sisters, whoa, Mama Africa, so ancient. Rise up, no time to be complacent. Have been so humble, I've been so patient. Time for Africa to make that statement. No war, no hate, no gun thing. Don't you idle, get up and do something. Joe Rastafari, bless. Last night.
She's wondering what is
Good now, John. Yes, glory be unto the Father, and to the Son, and to the Holy One of creation, as Jah was in the beginning, is now, and never shall be. Jah, world without end, King Selassie, Jah, Rastafari. So you know, we're leaving Lesotho now, we're going back to Johannesburg now, yeah? So we come pay a visit to the chief, check out the whole entire area. It's a very beautiful place. I know just about anywhere we're going to be at in Africa, as long as we can get you a little clipping, we're going to do that just for the beautiful people in the world. Remember now, people in Ethiopia, praise Rastafari. People in Africa, praise Rastafari. People in the Caribbean, hail Rastafari. Big up all Rastaman all over the world. All Rastafari empresses. Big up the teachers, the students, big up the elders, them, you know. Don't know, big up the nurses, big up the farmers, them. Big up the ragamuffin them where whole off the acre, you know. New York, England, Canada, Europe, Caribbean, Australia, East, West, North, South. Rastafari be praised. Peace, perfect peace. Africa, no crime, no violence, remember. That's what we're stressing on. It's a business to wage war, to rob and persecute the poor, just to fool their money banks. They would kill you and put you in the sand. Look at our buildings, so deplorable, and our children's down and gullible. Crime and violence take a toll. Everyone seems to be out of control. Why is it so easy to do bad and to do good? It is so hard, and we keep stepping in their traps, and we keep turning our backs. Why is it the people keep losing them life? Babylon brings strife. Rastafari alone, and God bless the people them every day and every night. Africa, yeah, may Jaja watch over you. Guns and bombs them a throw over you. Yeah, may Jaja watch over you. All them a fight and a fuss, jack over you. Yeah, may Jaja watch over you. Guns and bombs them a throw over you. Yeah, may Jaja watch over you. Let Jah rise, all his enemies be scattered. More fire.